What is going on out there, peeps? Woo, man. What a crazy day. I've been watching the markets go crazy. The silver, or I should say, the silver squeeze part 2 is in full effect. I'm watching people chatter on Twitter. I'm watching people chatter on Facebook. I'm listening to all the silver and gold bugs. There is a rumor. Let me stress that again. It is a rumor that London and or Switzerland are out of both gold and silver. It's hard to believe that they'd be out, but that might be just for the retail side, which is good. All right, heard from Stefan today saying, yeah, there's a little bit of stress going on over there. Silver's flying off the racks there. If you guys have not gotten your silver yet, I do not know what you're waiting for. Seriously. It's very possible that we can deplete the entire inventory there over these next couple of days. For those of you who are not paying attention and wondering what the hell is going on, I will cover that here in just a second. A reminder to everybody, when you are ready, and you should be ready here pretty quickly, you guys should consider buying precious metals, especially silver, over that Money Metals Exchange. By the way, gold is out too. The link is down in the description. First-time buyers, if you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and get a free half ounce of silver. You guys know I got Pimpy's Investment Chat, same name as the YouTube channel. Come on over here and join us. We do talk about gold, silver, cryptocurrencies, as well as other currencies. Quickly. You need to get there quickly. You guys know I got the other YouTube channel called The Hidden Things in Front of Your Eyes. Over there I talk about topics that are not related to investing. So what's going on over here? Let me get a quick refresh. Something I saw on this website that blew my mind. I think it was about, I don't know. Had to been about maybe just a little over 3 years ago. I might be wrong. You could buy rhodium for like $300-400 an ounce. It's now up to $23,400. What the is going on there? So you can see right there across the top, we got gold sitting at 1819. It did get back up above 1800. There's a shortage on gold. Silver, yes, finally. I've been watching since late last night, all day long, man. I've been watching. I wake up and look, waiting for it to break the $28 range. Every time I got close to it, they just smack it right back down, man. I was like, ugh. And then finally, it broke through. I'm anticipating it running again. We'll see. Today's the 22nd. We're all waiting for news on the 24th about what happens on the comics. If we keep pulling the silver off of the retail side, pull it off the market, people are running short. The people whose contracts are going to be due are not going to feel very confident about silver being available for them to go ahead and get a new contract. I think they're going to start pulling it out of the comics. That's going to cause some really big problems and stuff. Okay, so we keep doing it. Everybody's talking about it. We got the world is in on this. Everybody is gobbling up the silver. Gold as well. Platinum, palladium, and copper all running short. All of them running up in value. Although today, palladium went down a little bit. So did platinum. So anyways, over here, they still got some silver. Waiting for it to run out. It's going to get there. These are what's available. This ran out today. Out. Look at. So I showed you guys this earlier. Look, they're out of quite a few things there, but there's still a lot of stuff left over. Okay. So come on over here to Money Metals. They do have very competitive prices. You guys know this. So for you return buyers, if you spend more than $500, which come to find out quite a few of you are, use promo code SQUEEZE, 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 and get $10 back. All right, so this is good. So what is going on today? Wow, gee, to no surprise, a lot of people are like jumping ship It looks like this is just my theory only. As gold and silver started to run, what do we see? It looks like people were bailing out or using their cryptocurrencies to go ahead and start buying precious metals. For those of you who are unaware, you don't have to sell your cryptocurrencies, wait for the money to get to your bank, then get the money and turn around and buy gold and silver. You don't have to. Money Metals allows you to use cryptocurrencies to pay for your precious metals if you want to do it that way. Bitcoin down to 54,000. It did reach a high of 58,000, down 3,149. Ethereum was up at 2,036, down to 1,781. It's a 143 drop. Where we at XRP and XLM? I see XRP still at 57.24. It's not really changing much. XLM still around the same. Where we at? Litecoin 208. Still up there hovering around pretty high. They're still near their 52-week high, but they are taking a little bit of a hit as people start going into precious metals. You can see gold again back up above 1,800. Silver at 28.31. So for those of you again wondering what the bejeebus is going on here. So the comics has its future contracts coming due. You listen to all the gold bugs out there, they're telling you the supply for silver on the retail side is very, very low. It's getting scarce, but it's starting to affect the other areas of silver. Wholesale area, somebody was talking about it affecting commercial. Commercial meaning like they use it for, jewelry, solar panels, stuff like that. We're seeing huge moves with some of these so-called ETFs. Some really questionable, shisty stuff. It looks like it's happening. iShares for silver. Is it iShare or iSilver? iShares changed their perspective on February the 3rd. Before, you used to be able to exchange your stock in for physical silver. Now they're saying, oh my goodness, they're saying like, we might not have the silver to cover the paper that's out there, which is kind of crazy considering if I believe the way that is set up, they're supposed to have on hold all the silver necessary to cover the outstanding shares that are there. So if they don't, what have they been doing with the silver, or what are they doing with the money from the shares if they're not purchasing the silver like they're supposed to hold it to make sure that it matches the shares that they sold? As I said, I was watching Arcadia Economics. You guys know I like listening to Lynette Zhang. Chris Marcus as well. Marcus had a guest on there. He's just cussing up a storm. He's pretty funny. But he did say this. He said, we already have them. We got them. They don't have enough silver out there to cover the shorts. And it takes approximately 200 days to produce the silver necessary from the mining companies to replenish what they need. Somewhere along those lines. But yet we keep smashing the retail side, grabbing all the silver as much as we can off of the open market. I've even had people reach out to me saying, Pimpy, look, we're not collectors of silver, although I was trying to lecture them about buying silver. They said, but we want to support what you guys are doing, so we picked up a couple ounces, and that's cool. I like that. I appreciate all of those. You might not be into precious metals. I would appreciate it if you did it, because it's there for your protection financially. But the fact that people were volunteering, coming in on this just to help out the movement, man, it's awesome to see. Very excited about this. $28 was a resistance level that was very stubborn If it hits $32 tomorrow, I know that's a big jump. But it's possible. As a matter of fact, I'm rooting for it. I'm thinking it might happen. That's no guarantee. That's just me, in my opinion, is all it is. Me speculating on all the things I'm seeing. Look at this sucker. All day long, man. It was just weird to watch. Where the hell happened to the graph? Anyways. This sucker started to get up there. It was in the 2820s, 2830s. It was getting up there. I was like, oh, look at it go, look at it go. And then boosh, got pushed back down. So here it is sitting around the 2818 mark right now. This is the actual live. Ooh, look at that drop. Did you see that? Did you see that red? Just look at that. Oh, man, look at that. Oh, they're trying. Once the overseas markets start seeing what happened over here in America, I'm curious to see how that affects the market in the nighttime. Anyways, you guys, I'm feeling really good about what's going on. Just keep up the fight. If you haven't started yet, don't procrastinate. All right? If you want to get in on this, don't procrastinate. Try to do what you can to remove, for those you got discretionary funds, for those you have the means. Try to help remove as much of this silver off the market as possible. That's what we want to see. Look at her trying to get it back down below $28. Can they do it? Fight on, guys. Fight on. Look at it. It's like an army people. So anyways, you guys, look at, people are asking me, are we being effective? Yes, we're being effective. Every chance I get, I find out what people are talking about. If I can, or bring it to you guys so you can see that this is really happening. But somebody did say today that it was a rumor. Anyways, there's a rumor that somebody said London and Switzerland are out. Chris. All right, so I'll see if I can find that again, but I don't know how much of it is. There you go. Look at liquidity crisis in London sends gold and silver prices surging. We're getting there, you guys. See, I just want you guys to keep, look, I keep trying to bring it to your attention so you guys can feel good about your investments. Yes, there you go. The zigzag man. All right, you guys. Anyways, I was hoping to find that. Of course, obviously, I should know better than to go through here. Just, it's not going to happen quick enough for me to find where that, just seen something similar to it up there. Nonetheless, look, you guys, right now you're doing a great job. If you can, if you find a way, if you have discretionary funds, get aluminum cans. If you guys got the recycling out there and you haven't quite turned it in yet, this might be that time. This might be the time you go, oh, hell yeah, I forgot. We got them damn cans out in the back, and them glass and the plastic. Let's go ahead and take that over to the recycling center, then go down to our local gold and silver shop and pick some up, or throw the money in the bank and hit up Money Metals. You guys are really happy about what's going on. I'm feeling good about it. I'm hoping you guys are not procrastinating to find out what's going on. And once this sucker starts to shoot off, you might be picking up silver when it's much, much higher than it is right now. All right, so that's it for now. I just wanted to share that with you. It does look good. Gold is a little bit scarce too. It's not just silver, but silver is the poor man's gold. It's more affordable. All right, that's it for now. I just wanted you guys to know that, yes, we're being effective. Right now is a good time. Good job today. A lot of you went out to Money Metals, reached out to them, and then picked up a big chunk of silver today. Let's keep that going. Let's see what we could do about, here you go. They got a silver challenge out there. There's a silver challenge out there going on that for anybody and everybody to pick up 100 ounces, what they had going on. I thought that's interesting, but I was surprised at the number of people underneath it. And I'm just curious how many of them are actually doing it. Let's see if we can drain Money Metals of all their silver. By Wednesday morning. All right, you guys reach out to them. Let's do this. For those of you who have not switched over yet, your 401ks or your IRAs, right now might be a good time, because if this starts going up, you're going to get less physical gold or silver for what you have in your IRAs or your 401ks. like I said before, you don't have to transfer over the full amount. You might want to consider doing 25, 30% of it just to protect what you have saved up for a nest egg, all right? You don't know how to do it, reach out to Money Meadows. They will help you in the process. Their phone number is 800-800-1865. Tell them Pimpy sent you. All right, you guys, that's it for now. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel. And I surely do appreciate it, and I'll catch you later.